Hello, welcome to today's video. Now we decided on going for a bit of a nature walk again. We started off, try again. Try not to fall into this pit of poop. I don't know what trees they're called, let us know in the comments, but all of the trees around are all shedding the skins, barks. Skins? The trees have skins. Start again. So we're just about to reach the end. So we're just about to reach the end of the walkway, the little footpath. So as you can see, it's not Carlton isn't the biggest of places. So as you can see, Carlton isn't the biggest of places. One pub. As I mentioned earlier, this Carlton is up. So as always, take care of yourself, look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. And if I didn't mention it, take care. Did I mention about taking care? Will you take care of yourself? Bye bye.